Hi, my name is Neil Trusso from S.O.Tech, and this is our MACTAC carrier and riot kit. The MACTAC Kit was been developed by us and the LAPD, LA Sheriffs and Orange County Sheriffs over the past year and a half to answer a problem or create a solution for organization of gear in a law enforcement officer's vehicle, the trunk. For instance, having to get pulled from one vehicle and moving to the next vehicle. It normally was a giant duffel bag filled with whatever, and now everything you see here can be combined and compressed and actually stored in this pack. It's our Mission Pack Micro. The kit consists of the Mission Pack Micro with the Mission Pack helmet gear attachment pouch. Again, it fits your helmet, any size helmet. It's very simple to use. The SIS Rapid Response Bandolier, designed to quickly just get thrown over your shoulder. Holds 4 M4 magazines, 2 to the front, easy access, high vis, so you definitely know who you are. Pull, flip around, 2 more mags, zip access, M4, you're good. Really simple, really easy, very identifiable. And last but not least is our MACTAC carrier, which is a law enforcement variant of our very, very popular Viper plate carrier kit. It comes with the same 3 mag inserts, or built-in 3 mag internal mag pouches. We've got a large Velcro high-vis area for your respective department, police, or your label, so that, again, visibility is a must here. Across the back, we limited the MOLLE to 3, so you basically can't overload yourself. And again, the same high visibility Velcro area for your unit. The ID is very, very important. This kit organizes all the tactical gear needed from active shooter response situations like Columbine up to multi-attack terrorism scenarios like Mumbai. It is designed for both patrol officer and special units alike. Everything else you need will also store in the bag for all types of emergencies or rapid responses. You can accessorize it with optional items like, for instance, our shotgun shell holder, extra M4 mags, food, water, your snivel gear, everything you can think of. But basically, any item you need to transfer from your vehicle to some other vehicle can be found in this little bag. You throw it on your back and you're gone and you're good to go.